To log into the web GUI, open the browser and enter my Pico.Linux.com. And you can see the dashboard of web GUI. Then we go to the security test site. The URL is securtest.cloud.linux.com with port 8080. First, I will show you how to test antivirus function. For antivirus, we have both the local signature and cloud scan. Local signature can detect virus variants, but the signature size is limited by flash size. So we have cloud scan, which is able to detect a huge number of viruses. To test antivirus, we can download eicard.com, which is a common test file for antivirus. Let's go to the Antivirus tab in Policy menu first and turn off the antivirus. And then we can download eicard.com from the security test site. While in the test, please open the link in incognito window to avoid browser cache. Now, the eicard.com is downloaded successfully because antivirus is turned off. Then, we turn on antivirus, set the action to log and destroy file, and download eicard again. This time, eicard.com is destroyed by marking X on the file data. This is how antivirus works. Back to the web GUI. Go to the Antivirus tab in Threads menu. We can also see the log showing eicard.com is destroyed. Next, I will show you how to test anti-web threat. There are many malicious websites on the internet, and users might get hurt when they visit malicious websites. For example, phishing websites may pretend to be official websites and try to get users' sensitive information, such as username, password, and credit card information. Before testing anti-web threat, let's turn off anti-web threat first. Now we go to the security test site and we can visit internetbaitguys.com. This website is not blocked because anti-web threat is turned off. Then we go to the web GUI, turn on web threat, set the action to log and block. Let's visit internetbaitguys.com again. As we can see, the malicious website is redirected to a warning page and users can be protected. Back to the web GUI. Go to the Anti-Web Threat tab in Threads menu. We can also see the log showing internetbaitguys.com is blocked. Next, I will show you how to test anti-intrusion. There are many kinds of attacks on the internet, and anti-intrusion can detect attack pattern and block malicious connections. Before testing anti-intrusion, let's turn off anti-intrusion first. Now, we go to the security test site. And here are some intrusion samples. The first one is HydraCrypt botnet download and execute. In a botnet, devices are compromised and can be used to trigger this URL to attack other servers. Anti-intrusion can protect servers from being attacked and can also prevent compromised devices from attacking others. Now, the request is not blocked since anti-intrusion is turned off. The second example is default password or null password. Many devices connect to the internet but have services with default password. This may cause the devices to be compromised. The anti-intrusion can detect login using default password and block the connections. Now we can sign in using the default password admin password. The login is success because anti-intrusion is turned off. The third example is webminer crypto root. When users visit websites with cryptocurrency miner JavaScript, it may consume user CPU power without user's permission. Anti-intrusion can detect cryptocurrency miner JavaScript and block the connections. Now, let's visit webminer.html. And we can see the CPU is consumed without my permission. Let's turn on anti-intrusion and try again. We go to the web GUI, turn on anti-intrusion, and set action to lock and block. Now get back to the security test site and test the HydraCrypt botnet. As we can see, the connection is blocked. Let's try to sign in with the default password, admin password. The connection is also blocked. Let's visit webminer.html. The connection is also blocked, and the CPU is not stolen. Back to the web GUI. Go to the Anti-Intrusion tab in Threats menu. We can also see the corresponding logs. The above is a simple demonstration of how Pico-UTM 100 works. Thank you for watching this video.